Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Out Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's a day before NFP. So yeah, you can see that on our economic calendar. I think I forgot to open. Yeah, you can see that we have employment change from Canada and also from US. You can call that NFP. So you can see previously we had like 12K. It was the smallest number. But this month, it seems like the number will be going a little bit higher to 18K. So if the number is going to be above this, it's going to be a very good one. If it's going to be below this, it's going to be very bad. So the best thing that we can do is not to really guess much. You can wait and see the results before you trade. But what I know is the number might be bigger than this 12K. Obviously, that 12K was way too smaller, you see. But anyways, let's push straight to our analysis. Okay, before we continue, I just wanted to show you this. Yesterday we had only 2 signals in our group. For those who want to be part of our signals, you can get lifetime signals for only $60. So let's see. We actually had gold and also Nasdaq 100, right? So when we check on the system, I will be checking this. You can see this is the group. So let me close that. You can see that on gold, first, this is gold. We had that around this area. The market went up. Now the market, we see that the market actually reversed here and there. But if maybe you bought here yesterday, obviously you were still going to be in that smaller profit. But the aim there was to scalp, because the market is not actually moving that much, because we expect NFP tomorrow. So obviously NFP might make the market to be like weird. Sometimes the market doesn't really move very nice. Another one is Nasdaq. You saw that we had also a Nasdaq signal. So this was quite obvious. You can see there, that was a very nice buy. So you can see we were still eating. I got out, but yes, if maybe you're still holding, you are still eating. For those who want the system, the special ended, we are back on 149, but this is also limited. We will be pushing this maybe to 200 because it's working. So if something is working and if it's accurate most of the time, obviously the value has to match, the price has to match the value. So but at the moment, you can get it for $149. Just scan the QR code or check my description. You will find, or just check maybe my Telegram group. There you will find my contacts. But anyways, let's push to the analysis and see what's really happening. Let's close that. We can see that we are on a dollar index. Dollar index, even yesterday, it was just playing around the same level. But I want to show you something here. Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is like flying. Bitcoin reached 100K. Whoa, that's great. Actually, that is way more than what I was expecting. But obviously, we were expecting like a bigger number before the end of the year. And we can see that since we broke out, the market never gave us any reversal. And it seems like the market will be pushing even higher. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, let's push to the next one and see the analysis. So this is DXY, dollar index. So on dollar index, we can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually still playing around where it was yesterday. We saw a breakout a few days ago, but you know what, the market is now trying to play around the same level. Maybe it's because of NFP and other economic news, but we know that the market is above this resistance. So there is enough chance that we'll see the numbers, also the market pushing to the upside. And if it pushes to the upside, it means NFP, it will be going aggressive. It will be on a plus, you see. According to the structure, it seems like that might happen. So, but we'll just have to wait and see. But at the moment, yes, with this breakout, it's obvious that there is a chance for dollar to go even higher. And that is not really nice, by the way, because we're also waiting for the rates cards. So once this NFP goes aggressive, we might not really see some rates cards coming this coming weeks. So now we are on gold. So I think if I can just mark that there, you can see that actually the market already is still on that nice uptrend. But if you check nicely, you will see that the market is actually just consolidating around the same level. The market is just playing around. You see that? So around this level here, you can also see that is a proper support area. But after that, we started to have this consolidating structure. So obviously, when the market is consolidating like that, you can't do anything. Just wait for the market to touch maybe the support area, or to be safe, stay out until NFP before maybe things start to push up, or maybe once the market starts to break out like that. But at the end of the day, we are still on this support area, or we are still on this nice uptrend. So which means we still expect the market to go even higher. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. And the next one is US30, which is not really moving that much. The market already created a very simple, straightforward structure there that you can see that it's actually a resistant area. But you see that we are coming from a proper, clear uptrend, an aggressive one. So there is a chance for the market to sell off before we see a nice push to the upside. But if the market is quite aggressive on this bullish momentum, it's obvious that the market will have to break out of the structure before, like we have to see a breakout here. But around this one is going to be complicated, little bit complicated, because we still have this resistance. So the best way we can say, let's wait for that outer structure to be broken out. Then we can say we're ready to fly. We're ready to go to the moon. And yeah, if maybe you're looking for a buy, unless if you're scalping, because once you buy here, we have a resistance very quick. So the market might reverse very quick. Or maybe you can wait for the market to reach this area before going up again. If the market goes below that, that is going to be a nice one, because we'll be waiting for the market to reverse. And that can be quite aggressive. But at the moment, I think we're just waiting on US30. We're just waiting on US30. So on NASDAQ, you can see we smashed this one. We had an order here. I think it was around this level. So the market just went up. So at the moment, it seems like maybe the market will be trying to go even lower. That will be good, because we want it to go a little bit lower before we look for that buy, especially when we know that we are on this nice uptrend. But the overall structure, it's quite straightforward. We are on this nice uptrend. We've drawn that. We also had that. You see that? So the market has been playing around, but this one was quite aggressive. Maybe the market will reverse before going up like that, or maybe the market will even go a little bit lower before we see a nice push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. So at the moment, we just trying to wait. We did smash that one yesterday, and it was a very quick one, by the way. It was a very quick buy. So yeah, we're still waiting for NFP. I don't think maybe we're going to have some crazy reversals, but I think it's way much better to wait for something to happen before we jump in again. So at the moment, as long as we are still on this bullish move or uptrend, we're still looking for those buy positions. But at the moment, we're still waiting for the market to do its thing. So now we are on US oil. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So you can see that the market is actually playing around the same level. The market, let me maybe do this on a daily time frame. Maybe you'll see this nicely. You can see that the overall structure, it's proper, straightforward. It's a nice downtrend structure. But where we are, we have this ranging structure. I think we're gonna have this until January, until Trump is a president, because at the moment, Trump said, you know what, we're gonna pump some oil and stuff like that, and which means we're gonna have a lot of oil in the market. So which means the demand is gonna be a little bit lower because it's all over the place, and which means the demand is gonna just go lower. But this is good because inflation also, it will be going lower, but we'll just have to wait and see. But at the moment, I was just scalping these areas. These levels, it's where we can have some quick buys as the market is still deciding which direction to take. But at the moment, the overall structure is still that a nice downtrend structure. But if maybe you just want to trade, you can still scalp here and there. And yeah, that can actually work. Or if you go closer a little bit, you'll see that there is a smaller area inside here. You see that? Maybe if you wanted to sell, I don't know if maybe we also have something like that, but I don't think it's there. It's only this one here, maybe this, but I think the overall structure is going to be like that because this area has been there also. You can see this. So yeah, I think the market will end up respecting this ranging structure. But for now, I think it's also good to stay out. If you don't feel like there's clear confirmation, stay out of the market, do something else. So yeah, I think for today it's enough. For those who want the system, it's $149. So the system actually gives you the signals at any time, any pair, anything that you can get on MT4. So, and it also comes with some instructions how to plug it, how you get the signals, and you take it from there, and it doesn't really expire. So anyways, this $149, it's also limited, as we are going to go to $200 because the value has to make sense. What you get from the system, it's way more than $149. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Extra Route Forex. For those who wants to be part of the team, scan that QR code there and then talk to me. So thank you very much. Bye.